Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Jelisa Smith and I'm here to help you be happy, healthy, and successful. So today this video is going to be about my top fat burning tips. Now these are the same exact tips that I've used myself to keep, to stay relatively lean even throughout pregnancy, entering into my 30s, not working out as much as I used to do when I was competing and stuff like that. So I wanted to share these with you because they're super simple. They're just things to keep in mind, and I know that they're gonna help you be super successful when it comes to your fat loss. So my first tip is to only keep healthy food in your kitchen. Now, the reason for this is obviously because we have our moments of weakness. We have our times where we're just so hungry, we're gonna reach for anything, and naturally what you're going to want to do biologically is just reach for some sugar or something that's going to give you a really quick fix and a really quick satisfaction to your hunger. But if you only keep healthy food in your fridge, you're going to have that instant gratification that you're going to eat something, but it's going to be healthy. So you're not going to have to worry about feeling guilty later or feeling like, oh my god, I shouldn't have ate that sleeve of cookies, so let's just cut that out of our lives and just keep healthy food in your fridge. Let me show you what I'm about to eat for lunch. So this is what I'm talking about. I just made this lunch out of just, things that were in my kitchen, and super simple. I didn't even really have to meal prep because I only had healthy things in my kitchen. You see, most of my plate is green, which is obviously pretty healthy. I got a kiwi here. Got some celery I cut up right here. That is some hummus, which I love. And this is some tuna on a piece of toast with avocado bread. Now, let me show you what kind of bread I have, which is why I don't worry about carbs, because I buy bread that's healthy. It's not full of like enriched flour and all that kind of stuff. And it matters that if you only keep healthy food in your fridge, you don't have to worry so much about every little thing that you're putting into your body because you know that it's healthy already. So it's super simple. It makes a whole lot of sense, and it will definitely change the way that you eat and the way that you feel, the way that your energy is set up. So we don't have a bunch of junk. We just got, vegetables, some cauliflower rice, more cauliflower rice, these little pops right here, quote unquote good pops. Just like healthy, not a bunch of sugar and junk in there. My second tip is to plan and prepare your food ahead of time. So you see, when we're going to work, this has actually been Darren's meal for the week, that with some rice. See, I got my water ready. I had the tuna already made because I made this yesterday with some vegan mayo, and I prepped that from last night. So oftentimes, like when I cook dinner, and if there's leftovers, I'll have that for lunch the next day. Or it just makes it a lot easier if you just prepare your meal. But another thing, if you only have healthy food in your kitchen, in your pantry, in your fridge, you don't have to stress so much about that, because even if you're about to grab something to eat real quick, it's pretty healthy. Make sure most of your plate is green or full of veggies and fruits, and this will make your fat loss journey 1,000 times easier. Promise you. These next fat burning tips have to do with your training. So when it comes to cardio, especially you ladies, don't go on the treadmill and just go at the same pace for hours and hours and 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour and a half. Like, no. I used to do that way back in the day. It was dumb, it wasn't effective, it wasn't what I wanted to do. I eventually burned all my muscle up. It just wasn't good. So what you're gonna do is HIIT, high intensity interval training, and this is going to help you to actually burn fat and retain muscle. So you're not gonna get skinny fat. You're not gonna get skinny in the places that you don't want to get skinny in. You're gonna be able to keep your curves, stay toned up, stay tight, right? And you're gonna also be burning more calories after you're finished with your workout, which is like the best. Why wouldn't you want to do that? And it's more fun than just doing steady state cardio. Like, I never do steady state cardio, and I always am able to maintain a relatively lean physique even if I don't work out every single day of the week. You don't need to be at the gym for hours to get a great after burning fat. And as you can see, I'm very tired because I just did about 20 minutes of HIIT. And HIIT is basically what you saw me doing, is just working out and resting. So working for about 20 to 30 seconds, resting for about 30 to 60 seconds, even long, up to like at least 2 minutes depending on your level of conditioning. So when it comes to training, like lifting weights, first of all, lift weights. Second of all, have a plan when you come into the gym. Have an idea of what you're going to work out, even if you don't know exactly what type of exercises. Try not to just get to the gym and be like, oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, cause then you just start lollygagging, you might get caught up in conversation with somebody, you're gonna be wasting time. You wanna make sure that you're keeping your rest periods in between your exercises short, So once again, you get more done. You get more work done in a shorter amount of time. You want to be efficient. The name of the game when it comes to fat loss is efficiency. You don't have to be in the gym for hours. You don't have to be in the gym every single day of the week. What you need to do when you are here, when you are working out, is to be very efficient. So keep that in mind. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 fat burning tips. Hope you enjoyed. By the way, all that's included in my new fat loss program, Thick and 30. The link is in the description box, okay? You get 30 days of a workout program, 30 days of a meal guide, and 30 days of mindset guidance, okay? So you honestly, this program is so bomb. I'm just gonna put that out there. You get a private login, so you can download the workouts. I put everything on video. Everything's also in PDF form. And you even have audio from me, okay? I put a lot into this program. It's exactly what I do to stay in shape, and it's exactly what it's gonna be that you need to jumpstart your fat loss journey, all right? So Thick and 30, link in the description box, go check it out. Now to recap, my top 5 fat burning tips. Number 1, only keep healthy food in your kitchen. Number 2, plan and prep your food, okay? 3, plan your workouts. Number 4, only do HIIT cardio. Y'all, that's a game changer right there. Only do HIIT cardio. I'm not playing with y'all. I don't want to see y'all on the treadmill for 45 minutes just walking, okay? And last but not least, shorten the duration of your rest times. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed. Once again, Thick and 30 in the description box. Comment, like, share with somebody who needs to see this video. And I will see y'all in the next video.